See this frying pan? Guess what? The same technology used here is what is being evaluated for stem cell treatment. Both Dacron and Teflon have been used to repair cartilage defects in rabbits. Unfortunately, this material appears to be too rigid to be applicable to humans. It's still pretty good for frying eggs though. When you click on the button below, you'll get access to a page where you can sign up to receive a portfolio of information that will give you the inside scoop on how stem cells can help you if you have osteoarthritis. The science, the biology, and most importantly, the results. See you on the other side.